Hello everyone. Today we are going over the index match function, which is actually the match function inside the index function, and we're going to be using it to figure out how many dogs, cats, or gerbils that Sally has. And obviously you could just look at this and tell, but this is going to explain how the formula itself actually figures it out. So what I meant by having the having the match function inside our index function is going to be actually here in this row number argument. But before we get there, we have to define our array, which our array is just everything that we are going to be looking at here, which is A1 through D4 in this case. And here our row number is where we will use our match function. So we type in match, and the lookup value is, of course, Sally here. Our lookup array can either be just the entire column of A or A1 through A4 because Sally is in fact an owner and this is where she will fall. For this example, I'm just going to click the entire column of A, but again, it doesn't matter. And then for our match type, I just want 0, an exact match. So then by hitting comma, this match function now is solidified as our row number argument. And so here is where it gets customizable. Our column number is going to be what column a result is pulled from. So if we want dogs, we are going to put a 2 here for the column number because dogs is the second column in our array. Cats would be the third, gerbils would be the fourth. So if I type in a 2 here, close our parentheses and hit enter, we will get a 4. And of course, if we go over here, like I was saying, and change this to a 3, we should get a 5 because cats is the third column and Sally has 5 cats. So we hit enter and we get a 5. Same thing with gerbils, just for good measure, we will type in a 4 and we should yield a 7, which there it is. So that's exactly how you use the match function inside the index function. And if you'd like to learn any more about beginner, intermediate, or expert Excel functions, I've got series on all 3 of those, and I would greatly appreciate it if you check them out. But as always, thank you for watching.